What's going on, guys? We got an unboxing of the Bose Companion 2 speakers. So let's pop it open. Gonna hit this side with the here we go. Nice clean cut on the top. We're in the building. So these retail for about $99. Don't need that. So it's just don't know how I'm supposed to get this out with one hand. Alright, we got it out. Nothing left in the box. So let's get to the Bose speaker. This is what you find when you open the box. Turn them around. Got the Bose. Let's take them out. So we just pop these out. We got the Bose himself. Maybe I don't know what that is. Got all the cables. More cables, and that's it for this little container. Alright, so once we get it all out, we got them in this little wrapping, so we'll take this off. Kind of tricky doing this with one hand. Now that we got both speakers out and side by side, let's get into this little white box. Got the box open, take everything out. It's empty now. So let's open all this up. Standard cords are the red and black cords that you connect the speakers to together. The plug-in for the wall that slides right into this, and that plugs into the speakers from the wall. So let's get it all connected. First off, you want to take this piece, slide it down into this hole, like that. And you want to get this untangled so you can plug it into your speaker. Once you have the cord connected from the wall to the speaker, you want to connect the speaker to the other speaker. The Bose speakers have been all connected to each other. You want to take the last remaining plug-in, plug it into your device, and start the music. So guys, we have the Bose speakers all connected. This has been my full unboxing of the Bose Companion 2 speakers. If you'd like, subscribe to my channel for more tech views. Like this video, and please comment if you have any questions or anything about the speakers. It's a very easy setup, guys. So yeah, have a nice day.